The question is a current moving coil galvanometer is 5 division per milliampere and its voltage sensitivity is 20 division per volt, and the voltage sensitivity is angular deflection per unit voltage applied. Now we need to find the resistance of the galvanometer. So the current in galvanometer will be MVA upon K, and we are given that is 5 divisions per milliampere. So, and the voltage sensitivity is 20 division per volt, that is MVA upon KR. So Ig upon Vs will give us the value of R, where you know the value of Ig and Vs. So let's see. Ig upon Vs will give us the value of R, and value of Ig is 5000 as 5 division per milliampere. Changing the values of milliampere to ampere will give us 5000, and the value of Vs is 20 as it is 20 division per volt. Now the value of R will be 5000 divided by 20, that is 250 ohms. That is option number 3. So option 3 is correct. 250 ohms is the resistance.